Hi guys, so this is the Adulting Planner, the bright pastel version, and this is the July through June planner. And there's also a January through December planner. Now both of these planners are exactly the same. The only difference is that one starts in July and ends in June, and the other starts in January and ends in December, and they're both undated. So we'll look at the July planner, and if you tap each month tab, that'll take you to the different months. And as you can see, it's lag free. And now if you tap on the right corner of the planner, it takes you to the front cover. These are the notebook tabs on the side, the index at the bottom, and these notebook pages on the index page correlates to the notebook tabs on the side of the planner. Now, if we go back to the index page and tap on the green notebook, it takes us to the green notebook tab. Okay, back on the index page, you have the yearly overview, the goals, vision board, and then you have 6 blank templates which you can customize. Now, if you tap on the extra pages tab, you'll see all the extra pages that come with the planner. This is the adulting tracker page, which you can track all your adulting wins for the month. So let's write in an adulting win. For example, if today was July 1st, we'll write in fixed it myself if that was your adulting win for today. And of course, you can fill in the chart with any of your adulting wins for that day. Now, if we keep going through the planner, you have finance pages, you have meal planner, grocery list, recipe, workout schedule, shopping list, self-care, cleaning schedule, meetings, project planning, brain dump, to-do list, grids, blank, line, boxes. And you have a really cute adulting notes notebook page, and it has colorful dots on the side, on either side. Some more line page in different colors. I know you probably can't see that, but that's the color green. You have weekly pages, extra weekly pages. And you also have a blank daily page and some more daily pages. These are the stickers that come with the planner. And we're back to the front cover. To get to each weekly page, you tap on the month and you tap on the invisible square on the right corner to get to that specific weekly page. I'll do a close-up of the invisible square that you have to tap to get to the weekly page. And these small circles take you to the daily page. And each daily page is blank, so you'll have to write in a date. So these are the circles, and it takes you to that specific daily page. So if we go back to the front cover and we tap on stickers, actually let's go to the extra pages tab, and I'll show you that you can just add this adulting tracker page behind or in front of any page that you want in this planner. We're gonna add the page in front of the August planning page. So you just hit copy, and we're going to find the August monthly planning page. We're gonna add it behind this page. And I do have a detailed video about adding pages. A link to that video should pop up somewhere on your screen right now, and you just tap it to watch it. As you can see, the Adulting Tracker page is in back of the August dashboard page, right where we want it to be. If we go back to stickers, we can put a sticker cup on a month, and you just push the lasso tool, tap the lasso tool, circle around the sticker, long press, take screenshot, hit copy, and then you go to a place in your planner that you want to place the sticker, long press paste. Now you can either crop the sticker with a rectangle, or you can freehand it. And you can make the sticker smaller or make the sticker bigger. And again, I do have a detailed video on how to use stickers in Planner, and it will be in a link that pops up right now. I hope you like this planner. The link is in the description. Bye guys.